Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about record level security. Right? So what is record level security in Salesforce? Let's see. So record level security let you give user access to some object records but not other one. Right? So record level security means which security we can provide at the record level. Right? So if I'm talking about an example, suppose a user can view his own record but he cannot view the other record, right? So how we can do this? We can do this with the help of record level security. So it defines the record access to the user, right? So you can restrict the access of records for users even if the user has object level permission. Means if a user has the permission to see the object but still you can restrict your record to make it invisible or not accessible to the user, right? So we can achieve this by the following ways. Number one is org wide default, that is known as OWD settings, right? Another one is role hierarchy. Number third is sharing rules. Number four is manual sharing. So we will do one by one, but today we will discuss about OWD settings, right? So what is org wide default setting? OWD determines the default or the baseline level of the access for all record of an object, right? So it specifies the base level of access of record, right? It lock down the data to the most restrictive level. It can be defined for both standard object as well as for custom object. Based on most restrictive access, we can provide relevant value. Most common values are private, public read only, public read write, control by parent, public read write transfer. Right? So I will explain one by one little bit. These are the common values, but mainly we have only three access level: private, public read only, public read write. Right? So what is private? Private means only owner user. Owner means who has created record can see the record. No other one can see his record. Right? Public read only. Public read only means only assign the view data for assigned user. Means only assigned user can view the data. He can read the data, but he cannot edit the data. Right? Next one is public read write accessibility. So public read write means every user can see or edit the record of particular object in the organization, right? It is the fully permission, read write permission, right? Next one is control by parent. So control by parent means if we have a child objects in the relationship, in master detail relationship, right? So child object, we cannot set the OWD setting for child object. It is controlled by the parent. So whatever setting we will set for the parent object, the child one follow those all, right? So that is controlled by parent, means we cannot set the OWD setting for child object, which is related with master detail relationship, right? Public read write transfer, what does it mean? It means user can view, edit and transfer the record. What is the transfer the record? Transfer the record means you can transfer the ownership of the record, right? For example, there is a user who have created the record, then you are transferring the ownership to the user B. Now B is the owner of that record, right? So this is known as transfer record. It can be happened only in two objects, lead and case object, that are the standard object, right? So all the steps we will do practically. Let's start how we can do this record level security by OWD. Come to our org. Now in quick find box, just type here sharing setting. Just click here sharing settings. So here you can see organization void defaults is available, that is OWD, right? So here you can see these are the object name, this is the default internal access, means we are providing the accessibility at the internal in the org level or application level. Now default external access. So default external access means this setting control the default access level for records shared with external users such as customer or the partner, right? So let's start. So just click on edit button, right? So here you can see in the lead object I can show you private, read only, public read write transfer, right? If I will open the another, so read write transfer is not available here, right? Here you can, these all are a standard object. If I will scroll down, then custom objects will be available here, right? So this is the complete list of the object which our organization have, right? See, if I'm talking about our book record object, that is a custom one. So here you can see these are the mainly three access level: private, public read only, public read write, right? Before starting, I want to show you control by parent also, right? If I will here, so here you can see this is a control by parent, so it is a child object, right? If I will talk about this one, so here, okay, not available here, so I can show you here also control by parent. So it means these are the child object which are related in master detail relationship, right? So this is control by parent. Now come to our object, that is our custom object book record. I want to show the setting. Before doing this, let me open the user so I can show you the accessibility of the user. Click on user, login from the user. So if I am talking about this writer, right, or so this user has the accessibility to read the all records, right? So these accessibility is provided at the object level. Now I want to set my record level security because these records are not created by this user, right? So I am going to apply here, make it private. So let me log out first, right? Come to our sharing setting, writer, just find out writer. This is our object writer. Right now it is public read write, right? So I'm going to make it private. Okay, so private means only which is the owner of this record, only he will be able to see, right? Another user will not able to see the record. So I'm just giving this private and click on save, right? Now just give a refresh. Now open the login from the user, click on this object. At object level we have provide the read accessibility for this object to this user, but as I have made it private, so as you see this user will not be able to read the record of another user, right? So in this way we can restrict our records, right, from the accessibility of the another user. Now come back, log out, come to our sharing settings again, right? If one more time I'm clicking on edit button, scroll down, come to our object. If I will make it public read only, right, just click here, give a save, refresh one time. It takes time, some time. Sharing operation has been initiated, so we need to wait for a while. Okay, or let's check one time, maybe it happens. So login from our user. If I will open this writer, so here you can see he can view the record because I have made it public read only. But if I will click here, right, and I want to make any change here, suppose I want to make any change here, like in book price, I am giving a book price as a this and click on the save button. So here it is throwing an error. Oops, you don't have the necessary privileges to edit this record, right? So we cannot make any changes here if we are providing a read only accessibility at the record level, right? Now log out, come back one more time at a sharing setting. One more time I am going to edit this. Now if this time I am going to make it public read write, right, just save it. Now come to our user, login from the user account. If I will open this, view all. So if I will open this record, and now this time I want to make any change, I'm going to make a 200 and just click on save. So this time it has been changed because we have given permission read write, public read write. So anyone can do anything, right? He can edit the record, he can read the record, right? So in this way our OWD setting our work, right? So we can set the security at our record level with the help of OWD settings, right? So let's little talk about this grant access using hierarchy. Let me click on edit. Okay, so okay, let me log out from here first. Come to our sharing setting. Let me refresh. Okay, let me type sharing setting here. Okay, so click on edit button. So let's talk about this grant access using hierarchy. Hierarchy means in your organization who is above in role from you, right? So in this option, if you will allow or check this option, then your record will be accessible as per the role hierarchy. Means as per the role hierarchy, the above person can see the all records of at the lower level, right? So if you will uncheck this option, then no one can see your record without your permission, right? Even he will be above in your role hierarchy. So for standard objects it is by default tick. If I am talking about the custom object, so I can remove this as per my requirement. If I will remove this, then whoever will are available at the above in the role hierarchy, he will not be able to see my record, right? If I will check this, then they can access your record. But what will be the accessibility above in the role hierarchy? What accessibility you will provide from here? If it is private, then private for above one. If it is public read write, then it is public read write for above one. And if it is public read only, then public read only for above one in the role hierarchy, right? So in this way we can give the accessibility or restrict the accessibility at the record level, right, as per our requirement. So that's all about the OWD setting. We will cover our next topic in our next video. So thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you will face any doubt or any problem related with this subject or any topic, then please mention in the comment. I will sort out your problem. Thank you for watching.